coming.
He got it.
My Pookie Bear.
Hey, nobody has to opinion from a fucking woman, okay?
Ready for this long shot?
Move on in, motherfucker.
Holy shit!
I will give you my sucky sauce.
Oh, we still got a ways to go, I think, don't we?
You're bitch made! Ethan! Stop!
Ah! He's behind us.
It's not mine!
We will
Easily.
force our dicks in that hole.
Exactly. Plain and simple. No questions asked.
No matter how much fucking lube it takes.
No lube. Go in dry.
I'll go and dry, alright. The
Yep.
way I like it, rough.
Rough.
I like it rough.
I'm glad I'm not the only one. Wait. Fuck, we got bad side spawn. Brute force
Fuck the
it.
son of a bitch.
No lube it. No lube it. Go right side. Go right
No
side.
lube it. Alright, yep. Go, go, go.
Come on, come with me. Come with me.
Nope, going this way.
Sam, you're a bitch.
Give a fuck.
Oh fuck, I threw a bad nade. Oh wait, no, Sam, that's the right way. He's over here.
Got that dude.
They don't stand a fucking chance. They're done for already.
Nope. Yep. This is
This
our
one.
game, motherfuckers.
This is our map.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's coming left side doorway, I think. There's two, Sam, behind. Wait, never mind. No. We're camping like a little bitch. I'm on fire.
About to see. Wasted a bolt.
He's coming up. I got him. There's one more.
Damn it, he got me.
Good shit. Nice. There's one more.
I'm coming back.
Behind us. Damn it, dude. There's one guy coming left side door. He's coming in.
Damn it. Now we're spawning farther away too, so.
Don't peek. There's two up top. I gotta run. Damn it.
Enemy cruise missile launch detected.
Okay, you got it. Yep. Good job.
There's a guy at the end of the tunnel. Yep. RPG guy. Nice C4 pussy. Oh my god, Sam, there's two other guys over here.
Well, I'm watching the bottom. They're down. They're down here at the bottom, so cover that.
I'm trying my best. There. My god. I got a spy plane. There's only one guy there. Left side.
Got
Fucking
him.
ass. Right side. Holy fuck. I'm gonna die.
End of
Behind
the
us
tunnel.
and behind you.
In the tunnel. The dude where? Which side?
There's so many behind.
Okay.
Enemy care package.
Yeah, I think so, but teammates are watching that. Yeah, I'm still dying on fire.
Damn it! It blew me up.
Enemy attack helicopter above.
Holy fuck.
I'm coming back here.
Oh my god.
Okay, that works.
Damn.
Ethan, you bitch.
What?
Damn it.
Oh. I got hand cannon guy down.
Multiple hostile spy
They
planes
got
detected.
fucking stupid ass gas
Field
mines.
mic.
They can't go on a spot.
This guy has a
Oh,
RPG. Teammate, don't have him because he's dookie. Left side,
They
I
throw so
think.
many grenades in here, it's almost pointless to put a fuel mic down.
I know, we need a trophy system. That was a stupidly insane shot. Got him, I got him.
Dude tunnel.
Oh my god, there's so many guys. I didn't know what to do. I threw 2 grenades, smoke.
Spy plane established over
Okay,
there.
we have to win this game though. There's one guy in the tunnel from what I know.
There's 2 guys on the steps.
I got one. I got him. There's 2 more.
Counter spy plane ready for deployment.
Damn it, he got me.
Air patrol available for
Let's go!
Return to
32. Let's go, guys.
29-14.
Let's.
Fuck me, yes.
Let's go, baby! Damn it, we got bad side spawn.
Yeah. I'm running right side of map. I'm running right side of map around.
team deathmatch.
I don't. I always peek in the middle, see
I
what
am.
they got to offer for
Show
me.
how the CIA
Probably a sniper to
does
the
I'm
it.
running
fucking
right side
face.
around. Probably. Up, they're over here, Vince.
Pulling ahead.
Oh, dude, that was a pretty insane shot, not gonna lie. There's like so many bridge.
Just say back and front, front right, front left, back right.
There's a guy coming in back.
available for tasking.
Nice shit, good shit.
All of us are camping over here besides one.
Spy plane available for
We're
tasking.
fucking doing we're gonna be doing great if they all stay over here.
Behind us.
Yep. Another one.
Air patrol available for
We're spawning other side, so they're spawning behind you, Ethan.
Yep. There's 3 of them here. I'm still alive. Vault.
Damn it, he's still vault waving through window.
Got him. Bridge. Got him. Check behind.
Yep, one stunned me. I can't see shit.
I don't see him. He's coming in right side, back, I think. I don't know. He's in vault window.
spy plane in the turn. Mission timeline initiated.
Damn it.
He's coming in through the back.
I spawned
Got
on the
him.
other side.
Spy plane MTL 50%.
Oh damn, he got me.
Vault room.
I'm checking.
Counter spy plane.
There's 2, like one coming in.
I got one.
One was aiming out the window. That dude out back. Might have been the other dude, so I don't know.
Spy plane terminating ETA.
There's a guy down below in the center.
Damn it, he got me. He came in.
Oh, he knifed me. Damn.
Coming around back. To the right.
Yep. Got him.
Good shit.
Fire.
Back.
I'm here.
There's another. He just went around that wall, so he might
Yep.
be coming to the right over here.
Nope, I got him.
Good shit.
Mission
Nice.
Fuck
You made Jason.
Let's
One
go.
Ain't no mystery. That good.
Is this
Fucking
me?
you,
Let's go.
Ethan. Yep.
Let's go.
Fuck. You had all of them.
Yeah.
Fucking GG. Good game,
That
motherfuckers.
was
Good comms.
Great,
Everything.
dude. Our calls are getting better.
4 big guys, and they grab on my thighs, blow up my guts like the 4th of July. If they keep fucking my butt, then I might just cry. Pooping semen spraying on my eyes. He licked my dick and the cum start spraying. Charging up my dick, I'ma go super saiyan. When it comes to fucking booty, I don't do much playing. I whispered in his ear like, hey, are you staying? He said, yeah, I'm not leaving. I guess he George Floyd, cause I always leave him not breathing.